Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the best source file into Canva. Upload the original photo rather than a compressed export because sharper source detail gives every tool more to work with. Once uploaded, place the image on the canvas and confirm it's not scaled beyond its pixel dimensions. Enlarging reduces quality. Make sure Canva displays the highest preview setting and then move to basic corrections so you fix exposure and cropping before sharpening. This prepares the image for more effective detail recovery. Next, refine clarity with Canva's Adjust tools. Start with Auto Enhance to get a baseline, then manually nudge contrast and clarity to boost midtones and perceived sharpness. Increase Sharpen in small steps. Over-sharpening creates halos, so preview at 100%. Use selective masks or duplicate layers. Sharpen only subject areas while leaving backgrounds slightly softened. If needed, remove distracting backgrounds or apply targeted blur to reduce noise, because isolating the subject often makes it read sharper overall. Finish by exporting correctly. Choose original or larger dimensions and set highest quality. PNG preserves edges, high-quality JPG balances size. Before exporting, view at actual size to confirm sharpness and make tiny slider tweaks if needed. If the photo remains blurry, make sure you didn't upscale the image beyond its pixels. Revert to the original or work on a duplicate to experiment. One key troubleshooting tip. If edits introduce artifacts, undo to the copy and try smaller incremental adjustments instead of large jumps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.